guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we have another hair tutorial. This hair tutorial is on this hairstyle. It is a ponytail, a loose curl ponytail with a swoop bang. I'm not really sure how I feel about this hairstyle. I mean, I think it's cute, but it's not, I don't know, maybe it's just because I'm not used to like high ponies anymore. I used to wear them all the time, but now I just kind of keep it very simple. My hair either curled or straight, so I don't know, but this is the hairstyle. If you guys want to see how I achieve this look, then keep on watching.
Je suis d'accord à 100%. 100%.
So I attempted to sew my ponytail around to the top, but I honestly just gave up and continued to glue it like I usually do for my ponytails. But you can definitely sew it if that's what you prefer. Make sure that you wrap around neck strips around your natural ponytail so that you don't get glue onto your hair. This part, I'm gluing a track sideways onto the base of my ponytail to wrap around my base, just to give it a finished and polished look. So this is my finished product. It's just a soft curly ponytail. Be honest, I'm not 100% how I'm not 100% sure how I feel about this look, because maybe I'm just not put together right now. I don't have makeup on, I don't have earrings on, jewelry, nothing. But just the hairstyle itself, I don't know how I feel about it. Like, I don't know if it's the hair. This is Empire hair. But so far the hair feels nice. It's just a bit shiny, and I don't know what it is, guys. I'm not really feeling it, but I used both of the little bundles that was in there. And what do y'all think? Do y'all like this hairstyle? I was feeling very girly, like Barbie-ish, and I'm in the mood to wear pink. I'm supposed to be filming some like Mean Girls and Clueless type videos this week, and I thought this ponytail would be perfect, and I just wanted a soft curl. So I don't know if I like it. What do y'all think? I'm gonna come back when I'm all dolled up. I didn't come back when I was all dolled up, but this is how it turned out the next day when I was all put together. I think it grew on me pretty nicely. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram at TheRealDolly with 3 E's at the end, and thanks for watching. Mwah.